You don't need to spend $200 to get crispy fries. I tracked down 5 air fryers under $60 and ranked them. I have shared Amazon links in the description below to each one of them. Now let's get started. Number 5. Chefman 2 quarts mini air fryer. Bottom of the list, but not bad, just limited. It's a 900 watt unit that runs whisper quiet, which is great in a small apartment. The catch: no presets, so you're setting time and temp manually every single time, and independent testing clocked it running about 12 degrees cooler than what you dial in. Fine for one-person snack. Skip it if you actually cook real meals. Number 4. Instant Vortex 2 quarts mini air fryer. More muscle here, 1300 watts for functions, temp range from 120 to 400 degrees. It crisps hard and fast, almost too fast. Testers found it can overcook on the first run before you learn its rhythm. Once you dial it in, it's reliable. Still just a 2-quart basket, so it's a one-person machine. Number 3. COSORI Air Fryer. COSORI's name carries weight, and this mini backs it up. Under 48 decibels, under 5 pounds for cooking functions, and it hooks into their app for recipes. The trade-off for that quiet operation is a small basket and no shake reminder. You're on your own for flipping food halfway. Great for dorms, RVs, or a backup fryer next to your main one. Number 2. Tasti-Crisp Digital Air Fryer. This is where budget air fryers start looking like real appliances. 2.6 quart basket, 1000 watts, air crisp tech, and 3 programmable presets so you're not punching in time and temp from scratch every time. Auto shut-off, dishwasher-safe parts, and a wider, crisper basket than the minis above. It's built for actual dinners, not just snacks. Number 1. Gourmia 4-quart digital air fryer. The clear winner. This one jumps to 4 quarts and 1300 watts, and it comes with 12 one-touch presets covering everything from wings to dehydrating jerky. The standout feature is the guided cooking prompts. It actually tells you on screen when to add food after preheat and when to flip it. That's a level of hand-holding you don't see at this price. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket, angled touchscreen. If you're cooking for more than one person and want a fryer that does the thinking with you, this is it. And here is my final recommendations. If you're solo and tight on counter space, the COSORI or Dash covers you. If you want capacity and smart features without spending real money, grab the Gourmia. Hit like if this saved you some scrolling, and subscribe for more kitchen hacks and reviews. Before you go, drop a comment telling me what air fryer you are getting. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.